Sculptris Pro is a feature that automatically generates new mesh geometry while you sculpt. This means you don't need to keep updating the mesh manually using Dynamesh. However, keep in mind that all polygons generated with this feature are triangles. To activate Sculptris Pro, simply turn on this button. Once it's on, try sculpting. The areas where you apply strokes will dynamically generate triangular polygons. The polygon density depends on the draw size of your brush. If the draw size is too large, the resolution decreases and the model may lose detail or become distorted. On the other hand, if the draw size is too small, the density becomes too high, which can cause performance issues. One brush that works especially well with Sculptris Pro is the snake hook brush. This brush pulls the mesh outward as you stroke, which often causes stretching and distortion. But with Sculptris Pro, the mesh is remeshed in real time, making it a very powerful combination for certain workflows. That said, not every brush supports the Sculptris Pro feature. For example, it doesn't work with the Move brush, so be sure to check brush compatibility. If you enable Sculptris Pro with the Smooth brush, you can even increase the resolution of specific areas. When smoothing complex parts of the model, you may notice the performance slow down a bit. From here, you can continue adding detail, making full use of the available polygons. If you find the brush size-dependent behavior difficult to control, go to the Stroke menu and under the Sculptris Pro section, turn off Adaptive Size. This allows you to remesh the model at a fixed resolution based on the subdivide size setting. By increasing the subdivide size value, the resolution becomes lower, and by decreasing the value, the resolution becomes higher.